Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. Yeah, Ethereum is playing out further its correction. We are still in this green range, and I expect that this move down is not quite finished yet. I believe in the last video I gave you a few of the ideal retracement levels based on this WXY pattern, based on the length of the wave W. We talked about that, taking the 1.618 extension that takes us to around about 1550. So that's a key level where we could watch out for. I think I mentioned that in the last video anyway. So that's one point to mention. The other one is if we take a look at the Fibonacci retracements. So obviously we retraced here and we've already broken the 38.2% Fib level anyway. And I can't remember if I told you in the last video, but I said either it was Bitcoin or Ethereum, but I said because this level was broken, we now expect to go to the next Fib level. And here for Ethereum, we now reached the 50%. Now that's another chance for a reversal, but we also need to keep an eye on this ideal level at 1550. And if we lose the current one at 1570, that's the 50% Fib level, we're probably going to come down to either 1550 or 1520. That is the 61.8% Fib level, and that is sort of ideal, yeah, what we would look at here. Someone asked me if I could try to pull together a sub-wave count for the wave Y. It's not very easy. It is not very easy. The way I would best count this is that I say, all right, we've come down in a wave A here, because a wave Y consists of, again, another ABC. And I would say this was the A, this was the B. We're now coming down in the C wave. The C wave obviously would complete the wave Y, and the wave Y would then complete the wave C. Yeah, and I can count here a 1 and a 2, possibly already a 3 and a 4, and the fifth wave might now be coming down. So again, in this, let me just, so as long as we don't, with this move here, so let me just, 1, 2, 3, 4, possibly 5, then could come down to 1550, could also come down to, could it come down to 1520? I'm just looking at the length, because of obviously a wave 3 can't be the shortest wave. Looking, just trying to figure out here. Yeah, I would say, you know, wave 3 and wave 1 are pretty much the same length. Yeah, pretty much the same length. Okay, wave 3 is longer than wave 1. So otherwise, had wave 3 been shorter than wave 1, the length of wave 5 would have been limited, but because wave 3 is not the shortest wave, wave 5 can also be long. It's not limited really. So at the moment though, I would focus on, well, either this level. I mean, we saw already a bullish reaction, but it's, in my opinion, not strong enough yet. Okay, so at the moment, and unless we go higher from here, and I'll show you what that means, I would expect to see either 1550 or 1520. Yeah, and always wait. I can only encourage you, always wait for a bullish signal. I mean, you can do what you want, but it's just, I've got some responsibility as well, of course. So we're currently in this channel to the downside. You can see that we can draw a corrective channel, or even an impulsive channel, yeah, in a wave C. As long as we don't break out of this channel, it indicates we go down further. Yeah, so these areas are always the areas where, with the highest likelihood, and it's never guaranteed, but with the highest likelihood, I expect a reversal, like we had it here, yeah, for example. And this reversal obviously only plays out if we get certain signals, and one such signal would be a breakout above this channel. But this area is telling us that we need to keep an eye on it. Yeah, keep an eye on it. When you see that breakout, that could be a good indication. And then let's say we come down in a wave 5. I mean, a breakout of the channel would be a first indication. Even better would be a move above the wave 4 high here at around about $1,600. Then I would think wave 2 is finished and we move up in a wave 3 to the upside. That could then take us to $2,000 and more. But this all depends on how low wave 2 will really go. Yeah, and that's my update about Ethereum. So the uptrend is still intact as long as we stay above 1360. That low here, I think in the previous video I mentioned 1630, no I meant 1360. So it's this low here of the wave 4. We should hold that in this current scenario that assumes that the wave 5 in blue was not finished yet and that we will climb higher in this Ethereum rally. Okay, and that's my view about Ethereum at the moment, so hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.